NVIDIA GeForce Now, it has started working in India, and for many users, it is delivering a surprisingly smooth gaming experience even on basic devices. Ladies and gentlemen, this marks a significant shift in how games can be played, specifically in a country where high-end gaming PCs, they are expensive and not really accessible to everyone. Well, instead of relying on powerful local hardwares, this particular service, it uses cloud technology where games run on remote servers and are streamed directly to the user's screen in real time. So this means even a low-end laptop, tablet, smartphone, it can handle graphically demanding games that would normally require very costly setups. This concept behind cloud gaming, it's simple but very powerful. Instead of downloading large game files or worrying about storage and system requirements, users can instantly access games through the internet. Well, the heavy processing is done on high-performance servers and the outlet is streamed like a video feed. This allows users in India to play modern, high-graphics games without upgrading their devices. Well, it also removes common barriers such as long installation time, frequent update and hardware compatibility issue. Ladies and gentlemen, early experiences suggest that performance depends heavily on internet quality here. With a able and fast connection, gameplay can feel smooth, responsive, close to what one would expect from a dedicated gaming machine. However, the internet connection, if it is unstable, users may face lag, reduced quality or interruptions. In fact, delays in input response can also be notable in fast-paced or competitive game, which remains one of the main challenges for the cloud gaming service. Here, another important aspect is the GeForce Now. It does not provide games for free. Instead, it allows the users to access titles that they already own on the platform like Steam or Epic Game, which means players still need to purchase the game separately, but they gain the flexibility to play them across multiple devices without being tied to a single system here. In fact, subscription plan and usage limit, it may also apply depending on how the device is structured. Well, this development, it could have broad impact on the Indian gaming industry. As internet infrastructure improves and becomes more reliable, cloud gaming, it would attract a larger audience, including casual gamers who previously avoided gaming due to high cost. It may also influence how companies design and distribute the games in the near future, focusing more on accessibility and streaming compatibility. And yes, at the very same time, traditional gaming setup, they are unlikely to disappear completely. Dedicated gamers who prioritize performance, zero latency and full control, it still prefer physical hardware though. However, for a large segment of users, specifically those looking for convenience and affordability, cloud gaming, it presents a compelling alternative. Now, overall, the arrival and functioning of GeForce Now in India represents a major technological step forward. It signals a move towards a more accessible gaming ecosystem where the focus shifts from owning powerful machines to simply having reliable internet connection. Well, if the infrastructure continues to improve, then this model, it could redefine how millions of people in India experience gaming in the coming years.